Page 25, First Etude. Etude, I have a thing at the bottom, it's a study piece. It's where some technical aspect of music or piano playing or something, it could be anything, it's an etude. Here, I'm guessing it's the eighth notes and moving the hands around a bit. That's kind of what we're doing here. So let's look it over. It's a page long, treble and bass clefs again. No sharps or flats in the key signature when the key is C major. And 4/4 time signature. We have eighth notes going crazy. 1 and 2 and. The hands are sort of playing one at a time, so to shorten the video, I'm going to take both hands together here. The left hand plays the first measure and you're here. The right hand plays the second measure and you're here. So we're in C position to start, but we're going to be moving around. So it's 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, rest. 2 and 3 and 4, and while the left hand's resting, it's got to come up and get ready to go. And then while the left hand plays, the right hand moves. Now the left hand's got to move again up here. Now the right hand moves. Same pattern. And now the right hand comes down, left hand comes down. So, again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See, there's a eighth rest in the middle of that. So it's not, no, it's 1 and 2 rest, 2 rest, rest, comes on beat 3. And then you lift up, get the right hand over here. You can kind of hover over it and be ready to go. Because then when the left hand's done here, you got to play. And as you're playing, you get the left hand out of the way. There. We're moving around a bit. So once I have an idea of the hands doing the fingering, the moving around, the rhythm, I go back over it carefully and slowly and get rid of the hesitations. And once the hesitations are gone, then I'll think about the articulation. Here, you're just connecting them. And the rest, you have to lift up for the rest anyway. So I could say just play it all connected because you lift up for the rest anyway. Then the dynamics, there's an MF at the beginning, mezzo, forte, and it's going to be both hands here. And the third line, you go up to loud. And you're going to finish the last two lines loud. Oh, okay. I suggest you practice this at all the dynamics. Practice playing it really, really soft, very light, very light. And then play it sort of in the middle. Then play it up a little louder. And then loud, heavy, really heavy here. You can let the wrist claps on each of you. Don't tense up and let the wrist claps on each, just a lot of weight. Yeah, just play this at all the different dynamic levels. Then the speed. Well, allegro, good luck with that. Allegro is quick or happy. I call it quick because I can be happy and be slow at the same time. So I call it quick. But it has to be even and controlled. So the eighth notes are going to slow it down. So we might not be talking so much about the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, unless you can play it controlled and even, that's too fast. So you think about the eighth notes, 1 and 2. That would be, I think, would be more like it. Because 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's more of a moderato feel as far as the beat goes, but the feel of the piece is allegro because of the eighth notes. They show pedal on the last measure. I disagree. I would not use pedal on this at all. Just if I were your teacher, I'd scribble that out. You don't need pedal. Don't bother with it. It's useless here. They're pedaling the longer held notes. I don't need it. Just don't use it. You don't need it. Remember the natural accents. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and... Now when you divide beats up, each beat actually gets a little accent. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... You can give each beat a little bit of an accent. But the strongest natural accent is the first beat of the measure. Kind of depends on how fast you're going. Yeah. don't copy me, please. You play. You choose your speed, what you can do accurately. Over time, as you get better, you'll be able to play it more. And I hope that you'll keep coming back to these books and playing through them just for the fun of it. You'll find you'll play the pieces a lot better and the fast pieces faster and enjoy them. Yeah. Let's play this together very slowly and just check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the louds and softs. There isn't much, but I'm still not going to do them. Just the notes and the rhythms very slowly. Now, since it's on eighth notes, I'm going to put the metronome to beat eighth notes so we can go slow enough. I'll give us 4 quarter notes to come in. Those 1 and 2 and ready and go and then go and. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. And 4 and. One and 4 and. Rest. 3 and 4 and. And 4 and. And 4 and. Rest. And 4 and. Rest. 3 and 4 and. Rest. Rest. And 2 and.